Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Krnl Roblox script on PC. First, you'll need to download Krnl from its official website to guarantee you're getting the legitimate software. Before downloading and running the bootstrapper, temporarily disable your antivirus. This prevents any interference with the installation process. Once downloaded, run the Krnl bootstrapper as an administrator to install all necessary files. Finally, extract the Krnl files into a dedicated folder on your desktop for easy access and organization. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now that Krnl is set up, let's get to the exciting part, injecting scripts. First, open the Krnl application and then launch Roblox, navigating to the game where you want to use your script. Once in the game, click the Inject button within the Krnl interface. This process connects Krnl to the Roblox game, typically taking only a few seconds to complete. After successful injection, you can copy your desired Roblox script from a trusted source, preparing it for execution. With Krnl injected and your script ready, it's time to execute. Simply paste the script you copied into the large text area provided within the Krnl window. After ensuring your script is correctly placed, press the Execute button. You should immediately observe the script's effects within your Roblox game, whether it's granting new abilities, items, or other modifications. If you encounter any issues, double-check your script's syntax or look for Krnl updates, as these are common troubleshooting steps. To ensure a positive and secure experience, remember a few key best practices. Always use Krnl responsibly, respecting other players and avoiding disruptive behavior. Keeping Krnl updated to its latest version is crucial for optimal performance, compatibility, and security. After you've finished your session, remember to re-enable your antivirus software for full system protection. Finally, be extremely cautious of unofficial Krnl downloads. These can often contain malicious software, so always stick to the official source for your downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.